So disassembly steps, use L key, 1.5 millimeter to remove the screws, side screws, removed side screws. Take it easy because I use the camera and remove it. For you, it will be faster, right? Then you can check it. Press and hold it. So the pin is straight. Once it is ready and straight, you can just put and take out pin. It's easier if you just hold by another hand because I'm holding my camera for you guys. So it won't be difficult like this, okay? And in my case, spring flies. Okay, this is spring. Spring, I will show you the way it has come, like from here. Okay, this way. Assembly stop. Also, this assembly is done. And next I will go for let's assemble back. Let's assemble. Assembly. Locate bezel and spring. This is the more important part. I hope you remember the spring location and put in the pin. Once you're ready, just put in the pin. And after once you put it, maybe you can play it like this. I'm joking, And now playing. You can screw it back. Okay. Screw the size. Left and right. I record it completely. This is totally the raw file. So for you guys, I leave the camera a bit far away. From left and right. Okay. How is easy, right? This is so easy. You can make it yourself. So now you can remove and replace the battery bezel. So if your bezel is damaged or anything, you can do it yourself, which is easy. So it's time to subscribe my channel and share this. Check the channel for more tips. Thanks buddies.